Hello Connexit family, welcome to Connexit training videos. Do you know how you can sync Airtable records with your Google Sheet? Are you excited to see how to do that? So let's get started using Connexit, how you can actually sync Airtable records with Google Sheet. Let's do that. So before you creating a workflow, make sure you authorize your accounts inside Connexit. So let's search for Airtable. To authorize Airtable inside Connexit, so you have to add an API token. So for that, just click on the app, click on add account. So this will going to ask you for tokens. So to generate token, you have to go to Airtable account. So just go for developer hub and then select personal access token. So make sure you select create new token and name that token and add the respective scope. So for triggers, so make sure you select this webhook manage, otherwise your scope will never gonna work. So select all the scope for and then select your base, so whichever base you are working on, and click on create token. So this will give you the token. Just copy the token and go to Connexit and paste and click on send continue. So this will going to authorize Airtable inside Connexit. So similarly you have to authorize Google Sheet as well. So now let's start our workflow by clicking on create connects. So let's start by naming our connects, that is workflow. I'll just name this as Airtable to Google Sheet, and this is how my Airtable sheet look like. So this is the columns I have in my table 1, that is name, email, phone number, status. And make sure you have this column, you should have inside Airtable, otherwise your connection does not work inside Connexit. So for adding that column, just click on add field and select this column name called created time, and then just click on create field. Automatically it will create a column like this. So make sure you have this column to get the sync data exactly. So now this is my Airtable sheet and this is my Google Sheet, which does look like similar, like name, email, phone number and status and created. So now let's go to Connexit and add our trigger, that is Airtable, and drag and drop the app. Select the trigger. So I'll be selecting as any new row created. Even you can do the same for new or updated record. And select your base and select your table accordingly, and make sure you select which column whenever you want to trigger. So you just select that column, and in this plus icon it will give you all the fields, respective fields on your Airtable data. So let's go ahead and click on OK. So this will be available, all the fields will be available over here. And now let's go to Google Sheet. Just search for the app, just drag and drop the app and repeat the steps. Select your account, select the action as create new row, and then select your sheet. So it will ask you for the respective fields. So now map your fields just by connecting accordingly. Done. So this will gonna be in sync with my Google Sheet now. So when I did this, automatically a new record will be created on Google Sheet. You can see that. So now let's go ahead to Connexit and publish our connects. So now whatever we added inside our Airtable, it will get synced to our Google Sheet. Hope you guys like this integration. So let's go to Airtable and add a new record to test our workflow. So just click on this, just add as David add as david@gmail.com and add any number. So that's it. So when you add this automatically, so based on our workflow, that it will going to create a new record inside Google Sheet. So let's go to Google Sheet. You can see that a new record will be created inside your Google Sheet. So this is how you can sync data from your Airtable to Google Sheet. Hope you guys like this integration, and if you have any questions on this particular integration, do drop me on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day and enjoy automation using Connexit.